Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Mauladi Fadila. I am from 12 Science 1. In this video, I will retell the content of the text Riau, South Sumatra, is a wildfire emergency alert ahead of dry season fall. It was happened some regions have faced the first phase of the wildfire crisis from February to April. There no bracing for the second phase, which will last between July and October. High air temperature due to the dry season which causes sparks. According to the Ministry observation between January 1 and June 29, there was a 40% decrease in the number of hotspots compared to the same period last year. Radian said wildfires burned 38,772 hectares of land from January 1 to May 31, a drop of about 15% compared to the 45,836 hectares in 2019. In Riau, forest and land fires had ravaged several areas in Pelalawan and Dumai regions since Sunday. Authorities and private companies, including the National Disaster Mitigation Agency or BNPB, and forestry company PT Sinarmas, deployed dozens of personnel and 5 helicopters to put out the fires, which they did after 2 days. Dumai Manggala Agni or Forest Fire Control Bridge Head Ismail Hasibuan said a fire broke out at around 2 p.m. on Monday, burning 2 hectares of land in Medang, Kampai District, Dumai. Said Ismail, putting out the fire on peatland is difficult because the fire source is located 2 meters under the ground. Fortunately, we had enough water. 2 helicopters from the BNPB also helped put the fire through water bombing. In my opinion, how to prevent this incident from happening again? 1. Avoid burning for open land. 2. Don't burn the trash around forest or land. 3. Using wood without cutting it down. 3. 4. Preserving and maintaining existing forest according to its designation. 5. Coordinate with related parties to take precaution. Thank you for your attention. That's all from the thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.